I recently uploaded a video explaining why you should create your own line work from a reference photo even if one's provided for you. I enlisted the help of a few of my art friends to help you understand why. A few went above and beyond and finished the artwork. I cannot thank these artists enough not only for their help, but the commitment to finish the piece even though it was not asked of them. Thank you so much, Elise, Anne, and Chrissy. This would not be possible without your help and commitment. Let's take a look at their finished pieces. First up, we have Elise from Elise Wong Creations. Her piece is completed as a digital artwork. I love the lighting effects she created and taken a few creative liberties to remove the vegetation from the mouth and the accentuated highlights. This really elevated the piece to another level. Next, we have the finished piece of Anne from Fine Art Anne. She finished hers with a more traditional approach and used colored pencils on paper. If you follow her artwork, you will immediately notice a nod to one of her favorite color palettes. And I love that she incorporated those colors into her gorilla. There is no mistaking this to be her artwork. She also removed the vegetation from the mouth. Interesting fact, she used chalkboard paint for her background. Bet you didn't see that coming. The next artwork is from Chrissy from Xers Art. She completed her piece on pastel mat using pan pastels and pastel pencils. If you'd like to see how she completed her artwork, I will have a card pop up and a link in the description to her video. Though this is a bit of a departure from her usual style, she did a phenomenal job rendering this. I love that she used non-traditional colors and really made the gorilla pop off the page. The background still gives you a feel of being in the jungle, and the muted tones are an awesome juxtaposition from the bright and vibrant highlights. Finally, I completed mine with charcoal on paper. Unlike the rest of my colleagues, I stayed pretty true to the reference and chose charcoal because it gives the vintage look and feel that I love so much in art. Well, there you have it. 4 artists, 1 reference, and completely different results. Just goes to show that even though you may use the same reference photo, each artist will render their work using their own creative license and style. This gives each piece a unique appearance. If you haven't done so, check out the artist that helped me complete this collaboration. And consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future tutorials, product reviews, and live streams. Until next time, keep on arting. Bye!